This is Chapter 3 of CIS 2050, Case Study 3, Can Technology Save Sears? By Jacob Dodge. Summary. Sears is a company that is steadily losing money due to an array of issues. They were once the biggest retailer in the United States, but they have spiraled downward since the early 2000s. They have tried desperately to upgrade in technology to keep up with other competitors such as Walmart and Target. Although they have done many different things, such as loyalty programs and pickup options, to try and keep up with the other competitors, nothing has solved the trick yet. Some current IT events. Grocery stores nowadays, and even stores like Walmart, are using robots to restock instead of humans, because they can be more accurate and faster. They have also implemented new online return systems at stores such as Walmart and Target. Analyze Sears using the competitive forces and value chain models. What are Sears' strengths, weaknesses? The strengths of Sears would probably be their service. They seem to be doing everything they can to appeal to customers, even if it doesn't work. I would say the weaknesses for Sears are sales and marketing. The marketing is probably the biggest weakness, as they keep trying and continue to fail at appealing to the customers. The weakness with Sears seems to be underinvestment in Sears stores, along with outdated merchandising. What was the problem facing Sears? What management, organization, and technology factors contributed to this problem? The problem with Sears was that they were so outdated with their technology and their stores. They were on top in the 1990s, and they stopped growing and making progress, but everyone around them was. What solution did Sears select? What was the role of technology in this solution? Sears brought in brand new computer information systems and wanted to refresh their stores and make them more modernized. Technology played a huge role in their solution because they used analytics to try and figure everything out that they could to improve and keep up with the competition. How effective was the solution selected by Sears? Explain. The solution was not as effective as Sears had hoped. It was not because they are still spiraling downwards, and it seems like everything that they try does not make any difference whatsoever. It is only a matter of time before Sears goes out of business because they have smeared their name with the downhill slope and nothing has changed. Some course concepts. The Sears organization underwent mass customization multiple times to try and turn back the clock, but it still hasn't worked. They tried to use the competitive force model to find ways to make themselves more relevant again, but it has yet to work. They have also tried the value chain model in the same way. They have used many platforms to try and catch up with other companies such as Walmart. Question 1. Will Sears ever go bankrupt and why? Question 2. Has Sears ever changed management during their downward spiral? The answer to question 1 is yes. Sears went bankrupt in 2018 because they were continuing their downward spiral. If you look at their website, even today, it looks so much more outdated than Walmart and Target's. And the answer to question 2, yes. Sears has changed ownership several times since the mid-1900s, and they still can't seem to find a business model that can bring them back to the top. In conclusion, Sears is a dying company struggling to stay relevant in an entirely modernized industry. They were once the biggest retailer in the United States, but they have spiraled downwards. They keep trying desperately to keep up with Walmart and Target, but they keep failing. Although they have done many different things to keep up with the competition, they're still falling behind.